You're a terrorist.
I'm a terrorist.
You are a terrorist, man.
I went and
Shame
killed
on
them.
you. Do you condemn Israel?
I condemn Israel with the right facts and knowing exactly.
Okay.
exactly
Do you accept that Israel killed innocent Palestinian children?
I don't think they're innocent.
Whoa. Firstly, thank you for your honesty. I'll repeat again. I go, do you condemn Israel for killing innocent Palestinian kids? She goes, I don't believe they're innocent.
هذا سلام فلما السلام ونظرة تؤلم قلبي في المنام كلام بعد كلام وعين.
You don't believe they're innocent. A 5-year-old child is not innocent. Come on, don't be shy.
I'm saying I don't. I think that they're being put in a position that they're not.
Don't change your tone.
I'm not.
You said, I don't believe they're innocent. You have nieces, and you are here saying, do you know what she said? She said, Palestinian kids are not innocent. Do you have no shame?
I don't have a lot of shame now.
Shame on you. You are a shameless woman. You are a terrorist supervisor, and I hope God deals with you.
أنا بخافش من اليهود لحتى لما يعمل بوم بخافش
وإذا كان بوب قوي
بخافش
لا
بخافش
مالك خفتي